video exists because the intrusive thoughts won. We've all been wondering this very question. It's time to see if this engine can fit inside of this car. Enjoy the ride, because this is something that's gonna require all of our engineering, and yet this is all about the entertainment. We made it out to Lake Elsinore. Here is the baby. My very first car I ever drove was a Miata. When I was 13 or 14, my parents sold it because they were afraid I was gonna slide it under a semi, and I ended up going with an RX-7. This little car is exactly what everybody's been wondering. Will it fit? So we're just gonna go over the car. We are manual. Ooh, okay, starts better than my cars. I'll take that. Pop-ups work?
Yep.
Yeah.
Everything.
Okay.
It'll do the blink.
Oh, really?
You have to spam it for a while though.
Okay, well we're gonna try that. We're gonna try and.
You're not fast enough.
Yeah, you gotta like spam.
Your finger game's not that good.
There it goes.
There it goes.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
That was all I needed right there. Do you think this would make it to Ontario?
I don't see why it might not.
We'll drive off to a nearby gas station, hard park, look cool for a second, fill it up, and then try to make it back to the shop.
Have a great time. Thank you. See you guys.
Oh yeah, gotta be in gear. It's actually gonna be one of the best cars I've owned. I'm laughing, the car's laughing. We made it to the very first stop. Squeaky, but probably runs better than most of my cars on the first get up and go. It's hilarious. Decided, let's make this proper level of first experience and move this.
I've never taken a top off this.
I know you haven't. Just 2 clips.
Okay. That's pretty convertible to me.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's you're shoving on the glass. Oh. I think you have to like push it down.
It's 56 degrees out. This is going to be a really bad idea, but at least you'll be able to see me from Joel's car. That is actually way too much fun.
It looked like it was running really good.
Yeah, except at 70 miles an hour or more, it's thump, 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 thump. But I was enjoying it.
Give it the best you got.
Okay, I'm gonna have to adjust this tool.
Oh God, he's fast.
No mischiefs, nothing.
I was babying it.
I saw you baby it. You guys know I take everything I do fully, not just working hard, but recovering hard, and sleep is the #1 way to do that. So 8 Sleep is essentially the answer to our prayers. To help me set this up is my guardian angel, Erica. There
Hey
we go.
guys! I've wanted an 8 Sleep for about 2 years now, and one of the main reasons is because when you sleep colder overnight, you can get into deep sleep a lot easier and a lot longer. All these studies are coming out that are recommending that your thermostat is between 60 and 65. That's freezing to me. The bed will actually put us into like 55 or 60 overnight. We don't know it's happening because we're sleeping.
While you can purchase a mattress from 8 Sleep, even better, you can use your own mattress, especially if you've grown to fall in love with it.
With 8 Sleep, I had spent the last couple nights with it, and then last night back without it here at the shop, and I will tell you what, I'm really jealous that Erica has it at the house. The numbers don't lie. The dream right here, this was Sunday night after we had set it up, and then today, just downhill. So the 1 degree up on your head and the 5 degree on the feet, I've never slept that smooth on my back before. The autopilot feature, with just 2 nights, made 49 adjustments to help get me into the ideal sleep. It's got the ability to do snoring autopilot, which I didn't think I snored. Snoring, 13%. The data is great, and one of my favorite things is it was almost identical to the watch data, and I don't have to wear the watch. Are you ready to take your sleep and recovery to the next level? Head over to 8sleep.com/RobDahm and use the code RobDahm to get $350 off your very own Pod 4 Ultra. Shipping is available to many countries worldwide. For more details, go to 8sleep.com/RobDahm. So we have made it back to the lab. Now, I am seeing behind you guys what we have put in front of us. I don't know. This
It'll fit. It's gonna fit.
No, yeah, we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
The turbos won't even hang outside the track with.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
So there's actually a chance that we can fit this.
Okay. Pop the hood. Let's
Okay,
go over
yeah.
your, measurements.
You gotta make the engine
You
mounts,
and the
dude.
mad scientist
No.
me, you're gonna have to. How far from the strut tower to strut tower, or about shock tower to shock tower? So
33 inches?
okay, let's see how wide the
block is
block
itself?
is.
Yo! 31 and a half!
It's happening.
It's on. It is on. Because a donut without doing a donut. That's how you do a donut. You hear that valve train? That sounds gross.
I like it.
Valve tapping, knocking, slapping, whatever other words you can use to describe a valve train. Now, before we get into absolutely mutilating this thing, I wanted to know how much the car actually weighs. Like, we know it weighs on Wikipedia, but let's see how much this thing actually weighs as it stands right here.
What's your guess?
I'm gonna guess, because I know that the blower and the AC unit is out of this. I'm gonna guess 2,078.
2250.
2300.
I'm gonna do 21.
Okay. Oh no. No.
Oh!
Wow.
No. It's still going. Okay.
Let's go.
Damn.
That's like pretty much what they say online, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty much what they say online, and this one's missing parts. 2,230 pounds. That's a very light car.
I win.
Yeah. He does. He does. Yeah. No, yeah.
I'm glad we didn't bet
Guys,
on
let's
anything.
focus on the work, you know? This is going to be hilariously the worst corner balance car in the history of man. I honestly have no idea what I'm looking at, other than it's a 4-cylinder. You got a fuel pump over here.
Huh.
Drive by wire. It is a wire.
It's like a catch can?
We're making up things, Joel.
I was like curious.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. Without looking too heavily into it, that's how long the engine could be.
I have a feeling we might have to pull a radiator to make this thing
Yeah, I think
fit.
the radiator's got to come out too. Yeah. Oh, race car, we don't need that.
There. Yeah!
I just noticed this isn't a sway bar. This is a sway wire. That is the thinnest thing. It's probably like 5 pounds of rotational force it's applying from side to side. At the end of the day, a wide wheel is heavy. So if you have a small wheel, now you have way less unsprung mass, and now you can use smaller control. It's just the whole thing is kind of this like I don't know, self-fulfilling prophecy that when we did the 4-rotor, I needed everything to be beefy because I didn't know, but then now I need everything to be beefier and I need to make even more power to just get dusted by a Miata. So I'm a little jealous seeing how small the components are on this car. Okay, so the guys are definitely on the right path. These aren't anti-gravity batteries, so if we arc, it's gonna keep arcing.
What the heck?
Ignore my koi pond. Hey, you know what? Guys, hang on.
That had weight.
Affected my weight measurements. Oh. Yeah, that's at least like 20 gallons, so that's like, yeah, number adds out. Yep. The Insight is the only car I can think of that like rivals how small that actually is. I wonder if this is it's a cast iron block. Aluminum block would make sense in a Miata, but that's gonna add weight to whatever's in here, so that this engine might weigh a little bit more than I was expecting. There she is.
300, 305.
305?
Yeah, 305.
Okay.
304.8 if you want to be specific, but that's...
That weighs more than a billet 4-rotor by 50 pounds.
No way.
This is what... leave that in. We were trying to get the shot done before they got finished pressure washing. I thought cockily that they would they'd be taking longer scrubbing, and nope. We get the pressure washer in the background of the shot. There you have the weirdest, most enjoyable engine comparison. Now, I will point to you one thing that just caught my eye immediately. That is the throttle body for this entire engine. It is cable. Whereas this one might be slightly undersized with two 103, 104 millimeters, so 4-inch throttle bodies. That kind of shows you the difference of their...
Is that like 1.5? 2?
Yeah, that's... I'm gonna guess 2, or just shy of 2. 300 pounds. I think there's a 1 in front of that number on that engine. This drivetrain, the clutch can only handle so much torque, and this engine makes multiples of times of torque that this thing can handle at idle, just at idle. So, truly trying to stuff it in there, we're gonna snap some shit, and I'm here for that.
All right, easy peasy.
Really happening.
Ooh.
Yeah.
You said you got it, bro.
I know, guys. Oh my god. You know, sometimes it takes teamwork. It takes two for a shaft like this. I know. Forward to the left.
Don't do this at home.
Stop. That's as far as the engine's gonna go in. Okay.
Oh my god.
Well, this is proving to be a little bit of a logistical nightmare. It's not crack open a couple beers with your buddies and swap engines overnight type of thing, but we are going to try and get it down in as low as we can. There's a couple major issues. 1, the engine is too wide. 2, the engine is too long. 3, the engine is too heavy. 4, the list keeps going on. Everything about this engine is why it shouldn't fit in here, but we're going to try and get it down as low as we can without absolutely crushing everything. We'll go about another inch and then it'll stop.
About there.
I'm just asking the team if we take the headlights out, take the spark plugs off the engine, and then just set it in there. Whatever happens. What Joel's about to show you is not sped up. This is real life.
God, he needs to be in a competition.
Yeah.
Were you a lumberjack in a past life, or?
And current.
Somebody get him a flannel.
There.
We're just gonna crush the.
Yeah, that too.
Oh, perfect fit.
Yeah, it's down. It is down.
No way.
Damn, the tires are hardly bulging.
Next question is, does it roll?
Seems like it wants to.
We are going fully untethered. This is actually really dangerous, but life's dangerous. You don't make it out of it alive anyway, so. Okay, so what I'm gonna ask is, nobody stand anywhere near the area of this thing falling over, so we'll all kind of go back here and push it.
Feel a little heavier?
It's actually rolling pretty easy.
Yeah, I think that's fine right there.
That's good. Someone just asked me for the thumbnail to take my top off, so you know, not the first time.
I mean, hairdresser, right? No, do it. Do it.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh. There we go.
Oh, you gotta do that thing.
There we go. That makes it look even crazy.
Wait, sit in there. See what you can see.
Okay. That would be a sick view. Of course, you can't see anything other than engine, because the exhaust would, yeah, you'd be. My dream is to have a car with like a massive blower, like those old like 60s Camaros, but this is a whole engine in my view. We were so busy trying to see if we could that none of us questioned whether or not we should. But there you go. Hopefully that scratches the itch for everybody else, but this is obnoxious in every beautiful way possible. It's time to admit defeat. This just will not fit the Miata without turning the Miata into a Frankenstein Miata, which is something that we would do, but I got something even better. That might not be going in the car, but this certainly is. What is it? Oh, it's beautiful.